So today the community and our children got together with the New Zealand Police and Auckland Transport, and we stopped cars on Kupe Street and either thanked them for doing the right speed or we told them when they were speeding. Today our police officer recorded 2 people doing over 70, and also we had a bunch of people that saw our police officer and just turned around and gapped it. They didn't want to face the music, they didn't want to hear our kids tell them our positive messages, and that's a little bit sad to see.
Thank you for doing the right speed on our road.
What's the speed limit?
50.
And 50 is?
Not the target.
That's right. Come on, there you go. It's for you. That's a gift for driving to the right speed. So our community's been really backing us up. They've promoted all our messages on all our social media pages. They've come together today. They've supported this kaupapa. They've educated their children, taught them to tell the cars to slow down, and they're really getting behind us. In the long term, hopefully we can get some speed measures in place, some speed bumps. Our New Zealand Police Force is really backing us up and stopping cars on the street, so watch this space. So on Saturday the 25th from 9 a.m. we will be revealing our billboards of Auckland Transport and New Zealand Police. So we invite all our whanau to come on board and help us with this kaupapa.